Yeah. Back through the door, bag full of smoke. Sit back, relax, and max with the hoes. Chat with my folks, laughing and jokes. I'm hard to the core and she bad to the bone. Ask her the bone, chats on the phone. Her 3 friends with it, just a tagging along. Ask for the flow, back to the song. Flashbacks only bring me back to that thong. Cause we been getting high all week. Smoking, drinking, I'm her drug and she get high off me. Now I'm back to the stove, blunt wraps for the dro. Roll it back in that backwood, pass it and smoke. Wanna get her high, so I pass her the most. She want that bread and butter, so I pass her the toast. That ASAP motto is party, get high. We back to the future, that Marty McFly. Sometimes I think about the past. Seems like good time is flying fast. Somehow my presence always lasts, but the future always going bad. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Back to the future, that Marty McFly.